Hello again, everyone. This is Essa, and welcome to my corner. I received a package from Abib. There you go. This is a Korean skincare products, and I received like loads of items from there. So I've already used their face mask, which is amazing, and also their eye cream.
There's a drop top coupe, said you wanna drive it down real soon. I just wanna love you like I do, cause I never had someone like you. Ain't nobody got this love, got me covered. Ain't nobody pay, all I need is love. I just wanna run away with you. I'm just hoping that you see and you know this. Can't stop with the way I've been falling. Fall back as a catch when you're falling.
So I tried this Abib collagen eye patch with Jericho Rose Jelly, and it's been a game changer for my puffy tired eyes. It contains vegan collagen and hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid, so it brightens, plumps, and reduces puffiness instantly. The Jericho Rose helps diminish dark circles, leaving my under eyes totally refreshed. So if you spot this product and brand Abib at your local Asian skincare store, grab it real quick.
So at the moment, I'm going to be opening. We're doing some unboxing of all this Abib um, products. So to start off, um, I'll I'll end with this rice probiotics overnight masks because it's a mask and it's just 5 p.m. here, but I just got back from work. I've already washed my hair and everything, so I'm going to put this last. So let's open the rest of the products. You know what? Let's open first their sunsticks. This is a quick sunsticks protection bar with SPF 50. And then this is an airy sunsticks smoothing bar, again SPF 50 and water resistant for around 80 minutes. So probably you use this one when you're going swimming. You're on a holiday, you're going swimming, and then this one, what's the difference? Let's find out. I do love using sunstick. So in the morning, I'll put a sun cream on my face before I put on my makeup. And then during the day, I would use a sunstick. So this is the airy sunstick that we've got. They got. I like the black color. Looks really classy. So I'm not sure if you could hear it from the background, but I'm currently watching the I'll Become the Villainess that goes down in history. I've read the manga. It's still ongoing, so it's not yet finished. Is it a manga or a manhwa? I think it's a manga. I've been reading it and I'm liking it. Like it's basically she wants to be reborn as the villainess of her favorite otome game. I didn't even know what an otome is or was until I was just like, what's an otome game? Apparently it's a video games that is specifically geared towards girls or women that is I think it was one of those that you see advertised on social medias wherein you get to find the love interest, choose your own adventure kind of things wherein every decisions would impact how the game would end. And so this lady, well, this character, basically she prefers the villain more than the heroine because the heroine was so goody good, just basically like a really nice person, and to the extent that it's bordering fake niceness. So she hated it, but she prefers the villain, wherein the villain was very eloquent and to the point, and she speaks her mind. Basically someone who stands up to what they believe in regardless of what other people think of them. So she prefers the villain, and she wished that if she dies and get reincarnated, she'll become the villain. And then I think she got into an accident, and then she got reincarnated as a villain in her otome on this on her favorite otome game. And so, since she's a villain, she wants to become the best villain ever. So she completely changed the character of the game to be the best villain. And so she started studying, practicing magic, practicing swordsmanship to make herself physically, mentally, and emotionally fit. She kept on making an excuse that I'm doing this because I want to be the villain, but then what she's doing was actually good. So she's not exactly doing a very villainous things. And I was just like, she's very cute and I love her. And then now, some changes are starting to happen because she speaks her mind, and she's really smart as well. She studies about politics even at a young age, and she tries to not conform to the norms and expectations that is around her. And so she got the attention of the prince that is supposed to end up, well, in the game, if you choose correctly, apparently if you choose correctly, you'll end up as the love interest of the prince. And so she ends up catching the attention of the prince. So now the prince is very supportive of her and adores her and everything. So I think I'm still on volume 5. I think that's the latest that they've released. Yes, so if you're looking for some light-hearted, if you're looking for some light-hearted read or manga, this one's really good. I'll become the villainess that goes down in history. And currently, it's on Crunchyroll as well. That's my only warning. It's an ongoing manga. It's an ongoing anime. So it's still on episode 4. Four so far. That's the one that I saw. It's still on episode 4. So that's just my only warning. But overall, I'm loving it. It was really cool. It was really fun. Anyway, so this one. So this is the difference between an Abib Aries Sunstick, and then this one is the Quick Sunstick. When we open it, this one looks cute. So there you go. So this is the quick sun stick. I'm not going to wear it yet. I don't need a sun stick at the moment because I am preparing to go to bed. And then this one is the airy sun stick. Water resistant for 80 minutes. I'll start using this tomorrow. Put that in my bag and then I'll give you an update. So Abib sun sticks. They're really cute and they're really skinny as well. So you could just like put it in your bag and have I've got a sun stick that is in one of my bag. I'll take this one for one of my other bags that I bring to church. So I've got that. This one is a dark spot pad. Glutathione, glutathione dark spot pad. We'll try. Ooh, look at this. Look at the packaging. Look at this one. See that? So, dark spot pad. We'll put that on my face. They've got this tweezers, and then let's open this tab. There you go. And then let's use this one. Can you stretch it? Ah, dripping, it's dripping. Hmm, it's dripping. Mm, it's dripping. I'm wearing glasses, so forgive, forgive me. Oh, sorry. I like this one. Oh, went to my eye. This is very liquidy than the most pads that I've tried before, and it went to my eye now. I was treating it as for like 10 to 20 minutes. I need to keep it for like 10 to 20 minutes. I'll keep it on my face for the moment while we open the next product. So what do you use this for? You know what? Let's Google what is it for. A big blue fine dark spot pad. It says enhance your glow. It forget dark spots, uneven tones, and dullness. It's deeply hydrating. This is unscented, and so this pad contains vitamin C for dark spots, niacinamide that blocks melanin transfer, and glutathione some to prevent melanin production. So if you got some dark spots, uneven skin tone, which I have those, acne marks, and basically dull skin, I might start using this because the weather here is starting to get really more autumn winter season, and around those times my skin is just dull. So this is good for this is good around this time of the season. Yes, so after that, I've got the glutathione sum dark spot serum. Let's see what it says on the internet. How do you spell it? I don't know how to spell. Glutathione. Oh, so this one with this one, apparently, this looks amazing. I'll open it. I could see the picture in here, but open it for you. Look at that. I need to take a video of this, like just this one. Could you see it? Amazing, right? Very orangey. The glutathione some dark spot pads with the glutathione some dark spot serum. They work well together. It's the same against hyperpigmentation, dark spots, uneven skin tone, and to brighten up the skin. So basically, these two, dark spot serum and dark spot pads, they are to help combat, not help combat, but they are basically for to prevent dark spots or to brighten dark spots, acne scars, and uneven skin tone and hyperpigmentation. They go hand to hand together, these two. Trying not to put it near my face. I like that it's fragrance free. Let me take off my glasses. I don't like heavy scented product. And now for the final bit. I'm excited to do this. Rice probiotics overnight masks. So we will be wearing this. I'm going to put on my collagen mask first. This is an Abib collagen masks. Let's put them on and then we'll put the overnight masks. Overnight probiotics masks. It is a barrier jelly. It's got its own scoopy scoops. Ah, I don't believe this is a mask. It looks like a serum. Oh wait. So before we continue, let's put the um Abib eye mask first. That means I need to take off my glasses now. I had my contact lens appointment today. Just to check about how am I so far. It's an annual thing. So how am I with my contact lens, and then about my eye health and everything. I also was watching this how I end up at the Duke's room or mansion. I think that was they have long titles. All of this new series coming, and it was basically she also got reincarnated in her favorite otome. She ended up as the side character that triggers the event of the story. So basically, in that game, her character is supposed to die, and who wants to die? She just died. Okay, she just died. So I think she was a schoolgirl who got accepted in her preferred uni. She got pushed off the bridge, woke up, became this triggered character that's supposed to die. That would trigger the main character to go back home and meet the love interest and the progression of the story. I think it was that, or it was a different story. They got mixed up together, and so because she doesn't want to die, she ended up marrying the love interest of the supposedly main character, and then things happen. I can't remember. So I need to Google that again. I need to look at my Crunchyroll on what program was that again. Anyway, so I can't see what's happening. The problem with wearing being nearsighted is I don't know what I'm doing. So we'll do this. The pad that I was using earlier, just use that to wipe this one. Nothing goes to waste in this household. Well, in this corner. Rice probiotics overnight masks. It's a barrier. What is it for? You ask. It's got rice bran and probiotics. Contains lactobacillus. Isn't that the ingredients for Yakult? Lactobacillus, it protects the skin irritated from the daytime stress, building shield on the skin overnight for healthier skin. Okay, fair. Relaxing care. Gift your exhausted skin with a good night's sleep. Your skin needs its beauty sleep. Well, it is just quarter to six. Less stress. Just basically so like a hydrating kind of masks. We'll see how it works for tomorrow for the next day because I love this one. This is Abib collagen gel mask. I love this one. I got recommended of a blue one. Might buy that tomorrow because I'm going to P2 bus tomorrow. We'll see how this one works. Anyway, thank you for keeping me company with this unboxing video. I'll tell you tomorrow how I feel about this overnight masks, but overall, with the rest of the products, I'm impressed. And so, well, see you in a bit. I've got a confession. I did say in my previous video, but I I tried that rice probiotics overnight masks. So I put it on my face. It's just that I'm not sure if I'm doing it wrong. It's really sticky, and I made a mistake of putting on my face before drying my hair. So I was drying my hair, and as you can see, I've got bangs. It's quite long. And then what would happen? It starts sticking on my bangs. I kept like taking it off. So I ended up probably after like less an hour, because it's really sticky. I wash it off my face. I didn't leave it overnight. So I'm going to research how to put it properly. Probably I put it on my face um when my hair is not wet. So just so it wouldn't be a problem when I try to dry my hair. But yeah, so I took it off. So anyway, we'll try it again next time.